I will eat now. This one, meat.
What
It's a meat.
is this? A
Go.
girl?
Yeah. It's not hot anymore. Here. You need to chew. Sampalin kita mamaya. You need to chew, ma. You will choke. No,
What is this? I see.
someone will sit there, but you can eat.
I don't want to this. I don't have soup. I don't have soup.
The soup is just little. I cannot take out.
Again, it's despicable, okay?
Vegetable here. This is seaweed. Here, vegetable here.
That soup is not. The vegetable is not hot. What is this?
Sampalin kita. Get a new one. It's dirty already. Tissue here. Already used, ma. Sige.
One more vegetable back.
One more vegetable. Ayoko ng meat. I don't like meat.
I don't know that.
Kaya siya. This one, huh? It's a barbecue.
No, I don't have barbecue.
You try first before you say no. Try. Just have a bite.
No.
It's so yummy.
那你要吃什么？你要来看啊。
Yeah? Hindi ka ba naman bakiyaw sa
And there's
Still have that. This one is done. You want to eat the egg? Spring egg. I don't like it. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. May tissue here.
I want that tissue.
That is right. If you want the tissue, you need to ask me. Don't just pick up there. It's already dirty. Me? Still have bowl. You have noodle on your bowl?
I don't want to eat this bowl.
Tomorrow, Yeah. Kaartihan mo kasi. Ah!
It's not my food.
Na? Stuck your food What happened? I'm not yet done. Huh? So don't put there I'm not yet done. Cannot go out. Wait for me. You want to eat rice? Noodle. Vegetable. Yeah? It's not finished. You say you still have here. I said you stay. You see you have, One.